Hey everybody, you're watching GTSam. I'm Sam, and we are on day 5.5 of the Jaguar F-Type rebuild. Now, we went ahead and made day 5, which was good, but then I found some uncovered footage of actually putting on the hood of the Jaguar. And who doesn't want to see more information on that, because it's a Jag F-Type, right? Well, here we are with the footage that I found, and I went ahead and spliced it all together a little bit for you guys to show you a little bit more entertaining side of how the whole process went down. So here it is, and I hope you enjoy it. Now check out the other video down below in the link to the description for day 5 if you missed it, and jump right back into this. Now enjoy both of them fully, so here we go. Okay, parts acquired right here. We got left hood hinge and hood. So let's do this. This is okay. Nice, good. All right, come on, we gotta zip this. That's worth it. Straighten back out like nothing. But looks a lot better. A little bit of, file it up, a little bit of paint, man. That looks great. Come on. All right, with that annoyance out of the way, hopefully, now we can go ahead and focus on actually getting this hood on. So let's do this. Cat, you with me? That's what I thought. All right. Let's see. Best way to do this. Huh? Which kind of manhandle? No, I'm not really manhandling it. Just trying to get it on. All right, Cat. Hey, kitty. Hey, kitty. Excuse me. There's a cat in the way. What are you doing? It's moving the vent holes here. Oh, cat. Oh, kitty. Come down. Watch out. How do you do this? One person, man. Tell you what. Ooh. Okay. Use my face. That's right. Use the face. Yeah. Maybe this was my best idea. Okay. Yeah. Well, I'm not trying to jack this up anymore. I don't know. Alright. Oh yeah. Hold on. There we go. We're in. Okay, let's start buttoning this up. Get bolts on. Okay, here we go. Time to open the hood. Everything is bolted into place. Let's see how good it opens. Find out. Yeah. Come on. Yes. Check it out. Booyah. Yes. Yes. Oh, yes. Good. All right, I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. Good stuff. Good stuff. Solid. Booyah. All right. Put the caps on now, and see what we do over here. Wait, hold on. Now we're gonna see how close this the hood starts officially in. And yes. Excellent. Accomplishment of the night. And there we have it. We had a lot done today and a lot of unexpected things go on, but we took care of it. And I still smell the residual mouse whatever under here. That's okay. This makes the car look a whole lot better, just 10 times better, and so much more progress is done. Went ahead, put this massive, beautiful new hood on. We got the brackets installed, all the bolts and the caps. We checked the fuses. We have the side vent here, perfectly fine as well. We slapped together the headlights real quick just to see how they fit, and there we go. Other than that, we have to go order a ton of brackets and parts tomorrow. That's what I'm going to be doing, and then we come back here and get everything on here. But this is a crucial time for us to get this car done because it's getting cold,
and my birthday's coming up, and to stop with all the mice. So we need to go get some mice repellent or something, and we need to put this around the car so we have no more issues with that. But for now, it's going right back over here in a safe, nice environment for tonight. And tomorrow, I'm coming back, we're hitting it hard. So guys, what do you think of this video? What do you think of the Jag so far? I think we're coming along greatly. And actually, you know what? Tomorrow, stay tuned, because next video is going to be with the door panel and the window glass installation. And it's going to be probably interesting because I have never installed glass before on a door. And of course, why not just do it on an expensive Jag for the first time? I'm excited. It's going to be a real door again. And just this part and these parts coming together to make it just a whole car once again. So I'm very happy and excited. Anyways, guys, what do you think of this video? If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up there. Make sure you subscribe for more videos quite like this and for the one coming up and the next one on this series. And also, if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. I'd love to hear it and talk about it with you along the way there. But guys, thank you so much for watching. This is GTSam. I'm going to catch you next time. I give you a little bit of rev to close out the evening, all right? Right? Am I right? Yeah? Let's hit it. Very nice. Very nice. That's a little teaser for what's to come.